This video will explain task creation. To create task, click the Add button located at the top right corner. Select task type from the selection, which is taken from the task setting. Write the description of the task, then choose the task start and due date. By default, the start and due date time will be selected based on the task setting in the company setup. Please note that the due date cannot be set earlier than the start date. The auto-release column means that once this task is saved, it will be released automatically. The delivery date is the user-defined field of this task type, while picture is the attachment that is needed for this task type. In order to release this task, you must assign this task to users. You can add yourself by clicking the button. You can also choose who to assign by clicking the Add button. By default, the assignee's daily activities will be reported to the task owner. You can change the person who is responsible for approving the assignee's report by clicking the Assignees column. You can allow the assignee to delegate the task to other users by clicking this button. The delegation is allowed by default. After that, click Save. After releasing the task, you can modify the text that are in black color. You can also assign to more user or remove assignee. There are 4 assignee status, which are accepted, awaiting, rejected, and dropped. Please note that you cannot remove the assignee who has accepted the task. If an assignee has rejected or dropped the task, you can either remove or assign to them again. By clicking the Info button, you can see the dropped and rejected task reason and remarks, then decide whether you want to assign the task to them again. To inactivate an assignee, simply click on the profile. This means that the assignee cannot create daily activity report for this task. For the task type that has the contact person and company as the contact method, you will need to choose the contact person. After the contact person is chosen, the company field will be filled in automatically with the company of the contact person. You can add contact person by clicking the Add button at the top right corner. You can choose contact from your contact list. You can also choose to create a new contact. You are required to fill in the first name, last name, mobile phone, and email of the contact person. The corporate number and extension are optional. Then, you can choose the company from the available company list by clicking the Company column or create a new company by clicking New. You are required to fill in the company name and business registration number. The rest of the fields are optional. After that, click Save. Now, select the contact person that you have created just now. Then, fill in all the required fields and click Save. When the form is in on hold status, you can modify all fields except task type. After that, click Save and Release. Congratulations, you have completed the task creation tutorial.